This video will show you how to grow your followers on your new Facebook page. So if you are just starting a new page and you want to grow your followers, this is a simple step you need to follow. So you can share this to as many people in your contact so that they can also grow their followers. So let's see how it is done. So to be able to achieve this, you open your Facebook, click on your Facebook, and make sure your Facebook is in your page, not your profile. You should be on your page. So this is my Facebook page. Let me show you. This is my page. That's my page. So I'll have to click on it. I'll click on my picture. So when you click, it will open. So let me open it. Yes, so when you open your Facebook page, you switch to your professional dashboard. Let me still show you. This is my professional dashboard. You click on it. So you allow it to open. Now under this dashboard, professional dashboard, you see tools. Then under the tool, you see invite people to connect. Invite people to connect. This. So I'll click on it also. Now what happens is that whenever you post on Facebook or your page, anybody that reacts, either they comment or they react to your post or to your video, you will see on this page, you will see the number of people that reacted. So you just click on invite. By their name, you will see the option to invite them. So you just click on invite, and it will send the notification to all of them. Any person that interacted with your video, it will send the notification to all of them to always like your page or to follow your page. So if you keep doing that, as soon as you post, you will see that you'll be getting more followers and more people that will like your page. So this is another good way of growing your followers and getting likes on Facebook. So if you are just seeing my page for the first time, or you're just meeting my videos for the first time, it's also a good time for you to follow this page so that you can be getting more daily hacks. Tomorrow I'll be showing you how to get views. Simple hack you can use to be getting